So now let's see how we can work around with sharing post block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the sharing post block, I need to go ahead in between two blocks, let's say for example right here, and click on the plus button. So once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and type in sharing, and here you can see that sharing buttons is an option right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it says you can click on the plus button to add in a sharing option. Like let's say for example, I'm going to add share to LinkedIn right here, share to, let's say for example, print right here, just like this. And I'm going to go share to mail, and then let's just go around over here and browse all. And over here you can see that you can get to the embeds, and what you can do is choose, let's say for example, something like WhatsApp as well, and then those are added in. So now once you go ahead and click on those particular buttons as a user, you'll be able to directly share it to those particular platforms. So I can go ahead and center line it and so forth, and change the orientation as I like as well. I can show just the icons in text, or just the icons only, text only, and so forth right here. If I were to go around over here, I can change around the icon color as well, just like this. And you can also go ahead and change around the background as well. You can go ahead and change around the margin and change around the block spacing right here, just like this as well. If I were to go ahead and press the save button right here, just like this, then it'll be updated. And then once that is done, you can simply go ahead and view the post right here. And if you were to go ahead and scroll down, you can see that I got these 4 buttons right here. Let's say, for example, if I were to click on print, then it simply opens up print right here. Click on mail, and then it simply goes around and then accesses out the mail, as you can see right here. LinkedIn, then it'll simply forward onto LinkedIn, as you can see right here, and so forth, as you can see. So that is how you can utilize the sharing post block to have quick sharing options in your WordPress page. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.